This is Gestamp. We're in Hamilton County, Tennessee. Gestamp is a company that takes metal parts and builds auto bodies. They do a lot of stamping, a lot of welding. The skills demand here, whether it's in the trades or college graduates, is very high, but the high school system has not been strong enough to get kids into college or into the technical certificates for these jobs. Employers like Gestamp are willing to bring students in and help get them up to jobs that are pretty well paying and actually include a career path.
The apprenticeship program is a program where students go to school in our facility 3 hours a day. Most of it is online learning. They spend 4 hours a day in the work environment. They're working on getting their graduating credits completed while they're learning the practical knowledge of that machining process.
Kept me off the streets, it kept me working, keep money in my pocket. It made me get confidence back. It made me feel like I can be successful in life.
I kind of had a little trouble staying in school and doing my work and paying attention. Then I joined Gestamp. I got more mature and focused on work and school a lot more.
This program, it placed me in an environment with adults. It helped me with time management, communication skills, and it showed me like you gotta put your big girl pants on. And I like working. I like to make money, and my mom is a single parent, so I help her with anything she need, like bills.
I can work 40 hours, not complain, do what I have to do. My plans right now is to be a supervisor one day.
I graduated a year early, so I'm trying to go to college now.
I want to be an EMT, emergency medical technician.
It's a win-win for the kids that connects with something they can do and be proud of, and for Gestamp, loves having these employees who come up and really feel like the job here created their career. It was quite impressive.